It is super important to make sure that as a nation, we're being very strategic with our direction and that we're informing our youth about the options, but also creating opportunity for them. I have children myself. I want them to go into the field of their choosing, but technology will be a part of any field going forward. So we're gonna hopefully connect the dots on some things that have been happening, maybe behind the scenes or out of sight with technology around the country. And then also we're gonna tie it to hopefully a very practical application and roadmap for what we can do in this community. So what do? We love novel engineering. We love first-of-a-kind solutions. We do not like the cookie-cutter stuff. Before I started focusing on American innovation with my own engineering company, I traveled the world setting up advanced manufacturing facilities. I was probably part of the problem, right? I was exporting manufacturing capacity to places around the world and not focusing on domestic industry here at home. And with everything that's coming back into the country now, with the reshoring of production, the reshoring of technology, it has to have a high-tech component to it to survive here. And so what we embarked on a couple years ago is this journey with a few of our best customers to connect automation, which becomes islands of intelligence, with autonomy. And so we wanted to go from islands to networks. That's the big idea. If that's possible, that means any manufacturing facility or any automated asset can be retrofit to be part of a dynamic network. Now, with autonomous robotics, now that no person has to move things around, it really doesn't matter. Proximity doesn't matter anymore. You can retool any existing facility to be efficient with autonomous robots. That was an idea a couple years ago. It's now been proven. In terms of the economics, using autonomous robots compared to paying a worker to move things all day, every day, is 1/10 the cost. You might be wondering, what about jobs? Because we already heard about economic development. In all of our factories where we've deployed, we've never had a layoff. So what we're trying to do is help our employers keep people to build careers at their place of employment by having an easier job physically and new skills. We work in a knowledge economy now, and that with every win, you want to connect your local university, your emerging workforce through students, that you want to connect those and build knowledge here. That knowledge is permanent. It cannot be taken away. And even if a company fades or a product goes out of style, which you've seen happen in this community over the years, then you still have the knowledge.